Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use Codecademy on your laptop through the website. Even though there's an app, everything you need can be done through the browser. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to codecademy.com. As you can see, I've already logged in into my account. If you haven't already logged in, log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up to create one and you can simply log in using your Gmail or Facebook account as well. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Here you can track the progress of your courses that you have recently started or the previous courses that you have started. You can even see your achievements as well. Now simply click on the catalog and you can go into any option you want to learn. You can filter by language like Python, JavaScript, HTML and CSS, or by free versus pro courses. Pick a course and start with the first lesson. The website has an interactive code editor where you can write and run code directly in your browser. As you progress, do the exercises and projects to practice what you have learned. You can preview your results live in the browser. Check your profile to see completed lessons, badges and earned badges and streaks maintained. This helps you stay motivated and consistent in learning. You can simply tap on your profile icon and simply go on the profile option here to see all the results. If you have a pro subscription, you can access quizzes, projects and guided paths, but the free version is also great for getting started. And that's how you can fully use Codecademy on your laptop through the website. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more and comment which course you are starting first. Keep coding and have fun. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.